Greetings from Pantachou Beach in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. Long, sandy beach, however, not so great inside as there are stones in the sea. That's the whole beach. And today is 1st of September. The time is 12:00, exactly noon. And I'm out here for a beach adventure here in Cyprus. This is the fourth beach I visit today. And now I see why there is nobody here where I'm filming, because of the stones. But over there it is sand. But I'm no stranger to stones. I have no issues with them. I'm gonna take a swim later at the sand, just so I can have a fair, so I can give a fair grade to the beach. It looks quite nice. It has around 4.5 rating on Google Maps. And yes, what a fantastic day to start the month of September. September always means that autumn is coming, but I don't like to think about that because I'm still have a lot of more beach days in Sweden to cover up until late November. So I'm gonna be swimming a lot despite being colder weather. But here it is 30 degrees in the water and I'm on vacation in Cyprus. And throughout this episode in Cyprus, I'm giving you fun facts or interesting facts about Cyprus. And here comes another one. The capital city of Cyprus is Nicosia, or in Greek, Leukosia, and it is the only capital in the world that is divided between two nations, because the north part of Cyprus is the Turkish part, and there is a UN buffer zone right in the middle of Nicosia. And I actually visited that one when I was here in 2018. And I needed to show my passport in order to pass to the Turkish side. It was quite the experience because the cultures are so different and there is also different architecture. Like there are so many differences, and that one island is divided into two countries. And that Nicosia is the only capital in the world that's divided between two nations. Alright, that's the fun fact for today. And now it's time to take a swim. Let's go! Amazing. Yeah, minus the stones, this would have been perfect. But I do want to avoid the crowds that you can see on the picture. But you can see the water looks amazing as shot from my GoPro Hero 11 Black. And there is also a path to go into the water over there to avoid the stones. And yes, this is also very close to the port of Ayia Napa, and that part of the beach, I read it on Google Maps, it's called Limanaki, but then when I go on to the Pantachou Beach, it's actually the whole beach that is the same. So I will go with Pantachou to name this beach. And I might also take a swim also at the very end of this beach, where another beach comes up that's called Glikinero, so sweet water, where it is the Bridge of Lovers, famous site here in Cyprus. Alright, time to wrap up for this video, the fourth one for today, at least the fourth beach, because I might make 2 episodes from the underwater museum sculptures. Museum of Underwater Sculptures, Ayia Napa, Musan. And yes, I'm continuing now I will take a short trip to the center of the city to visit some of the main sites there, like the monastery and the church, before heading on to the beaches again. And thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another fantastic beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!